Well, hello guys, welcome to Xfinity. So, what if I tell you you can earn $150 a month easily without any investment by using your phone, your computer, or a tablet? You will be paid whatever you want and whenever you want. You can download this application from the Play Store, and also you can use it on your web browser. So this website is very flexible. You can earn a lot of money using this website. Now there are certain ways in which there are certain ways by which you can use and earn a lot of money. Number one is browsing websites, number two is videos, and number three is ads, and number four is leaving engagement on social media. Now this is a very interesting logic or business rules that they are representing to us, because you can earn easily without any investment, and quite precisely you can earn a lot of money by doing such activities. As they're mentioning, you can earn up to $150 a month. This is a huge amount of money for a very beginner or broke people. So in order to get started in this website, you need to click the link in the description. You will be navigated straight to the this website. Just click on register. Then you have two options, whether you can sign up using Google or Microsoft account. If you don't have any one of these, then you can easily input your email and password, then you can register right away. So as I already have an account on this website, so I will not sign up again. I am going to sign in. I will sign in using Gmail as I have made it previously. As you can see, I my earnings on this website, and I earned these dollars without doing anything, because it is very flexible and provides a great opportunity to earn. For example, you can browse website videos and ads by clicking on the earn on the left side in the navigation bar, and then you can see different earning sources. You can earn by browsing website. It will be available off and on. And number second one is very good, which is which provides a lot of interesting things to do. For example, you can earn money by you watching YouTube videos, you by subscribing, by liking other videos. It also includes Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Spotify, and much more. There are many activities that you can do to earn a lot of money. You can also see your analytics in this section. And another great feature in this website is you can refer your friends. Once your friend invests $10 on this website, then you will receive a 12% of the commission. You can also check out these settings, and you can change any setting as you like. If you like this dark theme, you can switch it on. If not, then you can switch it off. It will be in white color. So let's talk about its payment method. You need to go to billings, and as you can see here, the minimum payout threshold is $25. Once you reach minimum amount of $25, then you can cash out your money from this website. And I currently have $0.95, and I earned it uh, with little or no effort. Now you can add your payment method once you reach the minimum requirement, and this website is 100% legit. And you can also um, watch reviews or feedback from of this website. Another great things you can do is you can write comments and reviews, and this section is very important, and it pays a lot. I will show you an example. For example, as you can see here, You can earn $0.58 for writing a good review about this website. So what are you waiting for? This is the bonus part of this video, and you can download its application from the Play Store, and you can also visit this website from the link in the description, and you can earn a lot of money from this website because it is 100% legit. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions and any ambiguities, you can also comment down in the comment section below. So thanks for watching this video. Peace.